Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change or update your payment method on YouTube Premium. Now first thing you need to do is go ahead and go to youtube.com and then log into your account which has the premium on it. And then what we are going to do is we are going to tap on the top right here and we are going to click on this. Then we should be able to see purchases and memberships. So just go ahead and click on this. Now this will open up all of the different memberships that we have. Usually one of them is your YouTube Premium. So just go ahead and click on manage membership and then we are going to go down until we can see your billing address with your current card, and then just go ahead and click on edit. Now this will go ahead and ask you to either update your primary method or to update your backup payment method. So if you want to go ahead and click on this, we can go ahead and add a new card right here and then just add in all of the details itself and then click on submit. And then afterwards what we would need to do is to go ahead and select your primary payment method into the newest card that you have added, and then the other one will become a backup method. You can actually also delete your backup method if you wanted to, but first thing first, you just need to add your credit or debit card first and then apply that as a primary payment method, then cancel out the original one. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.